Good afternoon. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. On a piece of paper, go ahead and put your first and last name in the top right-hand corner and today's date, which is the 5th. For the title, you're going to title it Analogies Set 2, and then you're going to put ... or a dash, and then you're going to put 1 through 5. And we're going to start with number 1. So go ahead and write skeptic is to belief. See if you can see that right there. And we need to determine if it is A, B, C, or D. If you come over to your keywords bridge sentence, it's already done for you. So you know that a skeptic lacks belief. So we need to figure out if an employee lacks discipline, a glacier lacks snow, malcontent lacks satisfaction, or a judge lacks right. So an employee does not lack discipline. Employees have discipline. A glacier does not lack snow. There is snow on the top of a glacier. A malcontent does lack satisfaction. They are not content. And a judge does not lack right. A judge has right. So our correct answer is C. So go ahead and write skeptic is to belief as malcontent is to satisfaction. It's going to look just like that right there. Then we're going to go over to our keywords bridge sentence. And please pause this. Take your time, pause it, write what you need to write, and then keep moving on. Okay, so our keywords bridge sentence, we're going to abbreviate it, KWBS, like I did right there. And then we're going to write a skeptic lacks belief. We're going to do the same thing to our answer bridge sentence. ABS, right underneath there. And we are going to say, this is our answer, A, malcontent lacks satisfaction. So go ahead and write that sentence in there. And then you are going to highlight the keywords in your keywords bridge sentence and your answers in the answer bridge sentence. So go ahead and get that done. Then we're going to come over here to relationship type. I just put the word type there because relationship and type kind of mean the same thing as far as like what we're trying to figure out. And the type is that it lacks something. It's missing something. So you're going to put type / last or lack. And then number 1 is done. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 2. Let's go ahead and write veer is to swerve. Okay, now we have to figure out what the meanings of veer and swerve are. Veer, if you're veering, if you're driving, you're veering off the road usually, or veering into another lane. So yeah, swerve and veer, they kind of mean the same thing. So if you look over here, veer is a synonym for swerve. So we are looking for a synonym. Is adhere a synonym to divert? Is lead a synonym to applaud? Is disturb a synonym to hold? Or is contort a synonym to twist? Well, you might, on your other ones, have to look up the definitions for some of these words. Adhere means to stick to. Divert does not mean to stick. Lead, you lead something. Applaud, you clap. Not the same thing. Disturb, you guys know what a class disturbance looks like. Does it mean the same thing as hold? No, it does not. So contort and twist is your answer. Contort is kind of like twisting up your face in a way. So our answer bridge sentence is going to be contort is a synonym for twist. So go ahead and write that down. Okay, so for our KWBS, our keywords bridge sentence, we are going to, which is veer is a synonym for swerve. We're going to highlight our keywords, which is veer and swerve. For our answer bridge sentence, we're going to go ahead and highlight our answers, which is contort and twist. The relationship or type is a synonym. So let's see if I can. So synonym is what you are going to write for relationship type. I'm going to give you, actually, we're going to go over one more. So you are in luck today. And I'm going to change the color because that's not dark enough. Let's try that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and write down number 3. Shrug is to uncertainty, and then we'll go over that one. Okay, so a shrug expresses uncertainty. So we need to figure out which of these answers express the other. So does a wince express pleasure? Does a giggle express amusement? I'm going to say a wince does not express pleasure because when you wince, it's kind of like, ugh. It's more of a cringe. That's not pleasant. A giggle, yeah, you giggle when you're amused. Does an agreement express a nod? No, it's actually the opposite. A nod expresses agreement, and that's not the right order, so we don't want to do that. And does a wink express confusion? A wink does not express confusion. A wink means, you understand, I got it. So our best answer is B, giggle and amusement. So let's go ahead and write that down. We'll go ahead and write down our keywords bridge sentence and our answer bridge sentence, and then we'll talk about the type. Okay, so I have my keywords bridge sentence written. I have my keywords highlighted. I have my answer bridge sentence written, and my answers are highlighted. The type, we're just going to label that as other. Okay, go ahead and try number 4 and 5. Whenever you're looking at the type, kind of look at how the keywords bridge sentence is worded, and that will help you figure out the type. And I'll be checking it tomorrow in class, and you guys have a great afternoon.